The good old opening a beer with a baguette trick.
Exactly.
That'll be our next video. How to open a beer with a baguette. Hey again, everybody. Welcome to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I, of course, am Christian, and this is...
Trevor.
And Trevor's back again. We made this beer together in our How to Brew Beer episodes. And we're going to finally try it. It's been quite a while. So what better day than the 4th, known best for drinking and playing with explosives. So
Drink responsibly.
we're going to try it and see what it tastes like. Drink responsibly when you're playing with fireworks. Yeah.
I like herb music. Effervescence.
Just so light and bubbly. Cheers. Prost.
Prost.
Yeah, and true American tradition.
It's light.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's a light dark.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
It's definitely got still some of that nutty taste to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a summer dark.
Today we are making ribs. So we're gonna make barbecue sauces for our meats so that we may slather them. This is gonna be a sort of Kansas City style. And this is gonna be a mustard based barbecue sauce, like South Carolina style. So let's do it. Mustard for the mustard.
We're gonna get our beer.
Yeah.
Neat.
Yeah, it can totally be a beer mustard
Cool.
sauce. Why not?
Right?
So all of that into there
All that.
for the Kansas ketchup, molasses, Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
They took our worst. You might have noticed this is not our usual kitchen. This is
My
Trevor.
usual kitchen.
Yes. Exactly. We travel. This show has wheels. Blueberry jam.
That's my jam.
Brown sugar and the mustard. Woo. Wee bit of vinegar. Garlic powder for both.
The molasses called it will be coming soon. Very fashionable.
Chipotle. Put some pap in there. And I'm going to put some tomato sauce. Yums. Okay. Now we're just going to heat these on probably medium low at first and then change them to low once they start to bubble. Yeah, 3.5. Cool.
And I'm out of here.
This is Kelli. This is a watermelon, and we're going to cook some meat. Just gonna bop around and eat strawberries.
How can I assist?
We're gonna rub this meat. These guys have been marinating for 6 hours. Okay, so we're gonna take them out of the marinade. We're gonna rub them with the spices, and then we're gonna throw them on the grill.
Sounds good.
Will you shake the rub that I made on top?
If you had seen what I did with my bag of cat food this morning, you wouldn't trust me with this.
Yeah, we gotta save some for yours. Some brown sugar, please. Like a small handful. Yeah.
So,
Oh, yep.
just put it on top.
Mm-hmm. Put the other one just on top of it. Get in there. Why are you being so gentle?
That's how you rub meat.
Yeah.
I don't rub meat is the thing.
Explains a lot.
Oh, I put my thumbs in it.
Oh no, a new part of your body's touched the meat. So now we're gonna turn the grill on, put in some smoking chips so we can have
Smoked chips.
yeah, and so we can have some more flavor on the meat. So yeah, we're gonna go turn that on, let the chips hang out in there for a little bit, and then throw the ribs on. So we got our wood chip packets in there, and we're just gonna have them in here for 30 minutes so they can get to smoking. You wanna tong your own meat? I'll hold the tray for you.
I like tonging my own meat. Like what way?
Like this. Well, I guess
You gonna tongue your meat?
I'm gonna tongue my meat now.
Ah, fuck my eyes.
Okay.
What just went in my eye holes, but
Keep your hands off my eye holes.
I got ants in my eyes.
It's totally different.
Oh.
We just put our ribs on the grill. Our chips are smoking, and we're gonna have them on there for probably 2 hours. We're gonna cook it real low and slow,
Low and slow.
so they fall off the bone. These look good.
They do.
Don't trip. Yeah. Spread it about. Okay.
Fine.
Cool. All right, sauce.
Can't fucking see.
Exactly.
Just like that.
Eagle or hawk? I think it might be that golden eagle signature right here.
And I'm gonna do one stalk.
Wait, why are you shaving it?
The bottom, the skin is like bark.
So
When it's thicker,
so instead of cutting it, you shave it.
for thicker asparagus, yes.
I want to get good at cutting stuff like you do. But no, seriously.
Second guy. No, first guy was totally a hippie. That was like our age at least. Our age. Yeah.
Hear that sizzle down.
That looks good.
And this meat.
And that meat.
And another meat.
And that meat over there.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Meat.
Meat.
And this beer.
So raw, it's jumping off the floor.
And because you've subscribed, we'll meet you next time.
Clever.
You can see all the thunderstorms and you can see all the